Hey guys, I just wanted to make a crappy video here this morning and show you something silly and pointless. Um, so what you're seeing here is FlightGear flying my Rascal, and it's an RC model, and it has been flying for 834,000 seconds, which works out to be about, oh boy, 234 hours. Someone do the math for me, which is over 9.5 days. So we've been flying this simulation for 9.5 days straight. So it's been sitting here just circling, doing nothing useful but circling. But the cool thing is that FlightGear has been running for 9.5 days, and the other cool thing is, and this is really hard to show in a video, so I'm just talking. Over here in the lower right is the output of my autopilot. This is designed to run on a real RC airplane, and it's designed for Linux, and it's sitting there running in its verbose mode, so you can kind of see it's just dumping a little bit of output here and there. And the other cool thing is that application has been rock solid in its memory footprint since the very start of the flight, and it's just been running. So the fact that something can run for 9.5 days is kind of cool, even if it is a little pointless for an airplane that probably won't ever have more battery than an hour or two. So here I am circling, and I thought it would just be fun to commemorate this long flight by doing autonomous landing. So what I'm going to come over here is, in another window, just do the command through a little text interface. Normally this would be through the ground station, but off it goes, and I'll pan back, and now we're going to auto land. So what this is going to do is just fly out past the end of the runway, do a circle descent, peel off tangent to the runway, and land. We hope. And it should look pretty simple, because these things are not simple, but we try to make them look simple. So it's getting down to its altitude, or its glide slope intercept, I should say. And I commanded a 3-degree glide slope, which was what you would do for a real airplane, since I'm landing at a simulated real runway. And yeah, we're just there. We captured our glide slope. We're descending again. There, the runway's coming into view, and we peel off. It's a beautiful morning here to finish a long flight. And then right at the end, we do a little flare, drop in. Oh, and this thing does not like to roll out very well. Okay, woohoo! So gear dynamics need a little work on this model, but everything else is running pretty well. All right, that's it.